To edit a job posting, simply go to your job openings list and you'll see your current job posting that's active or private on our website. Say I want to make an edit to membership services manager, change a line. Click on the post. You'll see that the post is here. Everything is here. Say I want to change one of the lines over here. It's misspelled. I want to add a hyphen. And, you know, make any edits that I need to. If I want to change, any of the pay, or put a job category, that's basically, you can just click in here and then just do your thing. After you've made your edits, you can hit update. Give the site a couple of seconds to reload the posting, and then your edits will have gone through. That's it.